In this tutorial, we're going to review irregular verbs, first person. We call them irregular verbs because to conjugate those verbs, we're going to have more than one stem. That's why we call them irregular verbs. But this group in particular are called first person irregular verbs because the irregularity is only in the first person. We call them also irregular yo form verbs. Let's see some examples. We have the verb conocer, hacer, poner, saber. We conjugate the verb only the irregularity is in the first person yo. Yo conozco. And then the rest of the forms are conjugated normally in the same way as we conjugate any regular verbs. Tú conoces. Él, ella, usted conoce. Nosotros, nosotras conocemos. Vosotros, vosotras conocéis. Ustedes, ellos, ellas conocen. In the same way, all other verbs, they have irregularity only in the first person. Here we have some other examples. El verbo salir, traer, ver, dar. They have irregularity only in the yo form. Yo salgo, yo traigo, yo veo, yo doy. In the same way, we have some other examples of those irregular yo form verbs. For instance, the verb venir, to come. Yo vengo. Decir, to say or to tell. Yo digo. Oír, to hear. Yo oigo. Poder, to be able to. Yo puedo. Querer, to want or to love. Yo quiero. This group of verbs, in Spanish, there is no any rule that indicate how to recognize those irregular first person from the regular verbs. Only its use will allow us to recognize these verbs, because we have some regular, irregular first person stem changing verbs. Only when we use and we practice will allow us to recognize what kind of verb we are using in Spanish. Gracias.